What is there to fear now? You have been in the dregs of hell. You have been in the gutter. You fear nothing. You are warriors for Jesus Christ. You are emblazoned with his crest. His words are written upon the fleshy tablets of your heart. Your souls are beneath the pavilion of protection. Surrender. Surrender your will to him. Let God take the wheel in your life. It is effortless, brothers. It is free. You are free from your addiction. It never was. It shall not be. It is gone from you. It's gone from you. You are healed. You are whole. You are perfect. He loves you right now as you are. No strings attached. He loves you. He loves you. He loves you. He is grateful you've come to him with an open heart. You are not living in active rebellion, or you would not be here. You would not be on your path and proper placement. Everything you've suffered has been for a wise cause. For you have been molded by your afflictions. You have overcome. They have been worth it, and they will be used to your benefit. For he can make your weaknesses your strengths. It is written, and he cannot lie. He is a God of truth, therefore he cannot lie. And all of his words shall be fulfilled. Every jot, every tittle, and he will be victorious. He conquered death. He conquered the great serpent and smashed